first got into fishing because I grew up fishing. So when I was a kid, I used to go all the time and spend all my summers on the lake. One of the things that you can take away from it is just the importance of breaking your routine and finding something to do that's not just the everyday grind of life. Get away, be on the river, and sometimes it can be really difficult to make that happen, because I've got a million things going on, or it's a long drive, and so forcing myself to do it, I think is good for me as well. It's also fun because it's totally unpredictable. Sometimes I go out and I don't catch any fish, and that's kind of a bummer, but it's still fun to be outside, so it's always peaceful.